A police dog named Rex had a 91% confirmed hit rate in one part of the city. In another neighborhood, that number was 63%. His handler, Officer Dale Pruitt, noticed it first in the spreadsheets. Rex hadn't changed. Same dog, same nose, same training. But the paperwork had. Alerts in certain neighborhoods were being logged as confirmed, regardless of what was actually found. Failed searches elsewhere were quietly relabeled. Dale's honest records were being used to make something dishonest look credible. He reported it anyway. It cost him his unit. But he kept the one thing no one could reclassify: his name.